Hello guys, this is Winnie Rogers DIY here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a birthday balloon backdrop for a baby girl's birthday. So kindly watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe for those people who have not yet subscribed. So I'll use hot pink and baby pink, and I'll blow them randomly, just any size, different sizes, and then I'll drape. I'm using a blue curtain, navy blue curtain. The next thing I'll do, I'll take these frozen paper. This is a table draper. You see, it's big, it's very big, but then I'm going to use that just one side to bring that pattern. It's just something that I've decided myself to just make something different. So I'll put glue dots along this part and then stick it to my curtain. This cartoon is called Frozen, so if you're going to look for it, then ask for Frozen and you'll get these two beautiful girls. And then the next thing, I'll take my thread and I'll begin to tie my balloons, my pairs of balloons. I'll just roll them like that and mix colors the way I want, any size of balloon, until I reach the end. So guys, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, even as you watch. This frozen table draper is for a table, by the way. You can put it on the table and then you put your cups and everything that you want to put. You can use it to drape the table, that's what I mean. But then I just decided to put it like this to bring something new, a new look. And also guys, in my next videos, I'll be showing you how to decorate a whole birthday party, as in from the table to the backdrops. I'll be using balloons, I'll be using flowers, stickers, cartoons, different types of cartoons or different cartoons for boys, for girls, different colors or themes. Yeah, so guys, consider subscribing so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So the moment you'll watch one video, I think that one will be enough for you to decorate your whole birthday party. For now, I'm only doing a backdrop, but from the next episodes, I'll be making a full birthday party decoration. So guys, please consider subscribing. Yeah, just subscribe. Thank you so much by the way, guys. But please remember not to drink and drive. Okay, this is the last thing. I'm putting my happy birthday banner and I'll be using a glue dots from this side to the other side. I hope you can see. Yeah, it's just as simple as that. So you can cover that side with a flower or anything. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you so that at least you can get an easy way of decorating your birthday party. But then this one is very cheap. It's not expensive. I think it's only like $5. Only $5 to buy everything that I've used here. Not really 5, it's $7. And you're done. So the only thing that is remaining is maybe cake and all those things. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and bye bye. I love you.